Okay, here we are doing Pure Mathematics Year 2 Edexcel, Chapter 2, Mixed Exercise, Question 1. Alright, functions and graphs. What does it say? On the same axis, draw or sketch y equals 2 minus x and also y equals 2 with the absolute or modulus of x plus 1. Okay, let's do the purple one first, y equals 2 minus x. So we can see there that the c is a positive 2, so we'll take 2 there. And if we are coming down on a minus 1 as a slope, it would come down 2 and across 2. Okay, so that line would be something like that. Okay, and remember with a sketch you need to mark both of the points where it crosses any axis. Okay, so 2 there for y equals 2 minus x. Right then, on to the slightly trickier one. Let's first consider what this can be. It can be 2x plus 2, or inside that modulus we could end up with a minus and a minus in here, and so when you multiply it out you would get minus 2x minus 2. Okay, so let's do the positive one first because everything is always positive. All right, and we end up with, again, going through 2 here on the axis, and as this time, because the slope is 2, as you go down 2, it only goes across 1. So it starts like that, and it's positive. Okay, so that's okay. Now then, this would continue on down like this, but because of the modulus, it bounces up like that, and basically comes up here like this. And that there, if you were to extend it, would be a minus 2x and extending down towards the realms of minus 2. But you don't need that little minus 2 on there. It's just to show you what it would do. Okay, now that should look a bit more symmetrical than what I have drawn it there. It's got to be said. I might actually just change that around a little bit to make it look better now that I've decided what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to bring it in a little bit tighter. There you go, that's slightly more symmetrical, and that's the point 1. Okay, minus 1, sorry. Okay, now then, with that in mind, the question then says, find all the solutions for 2 minus x equals 2 modulus x plus 1. Okay, which would be the 2 points of intersection here. So we can already do 1 and just jump straight in there and say that x is equal to 2. Okay, so that's one of them done. Okay, and that would be done algebraically by doing 2 minus x is equal to 2x plus 2, and so we end up with 3x equals what's that, 3x, as that comes across there, that's minus 2 equals 0. What's happened there? 3x, 2x, 2 minus 2, so that x equals 0. That doesn't seem right. Hang on a second. All right, so have I written that down right? 2 minus x, yep. Okay, so as you put it in, 2x plus 2, yes, and then that becomes a plus 2, so that equals 3x. That becomes 1. It does become 0 equals 3x, doesn't it? Which makes x equal 0, which of course is not x equals 2. My apologies, going crazy. It is the x value of 0 because this is x coordinate, isn't it? Okay, so it's the 0, it was the y is 2 for the graph because we've substituted in the y's. My apologies, a bit of a moment there. Now the other option you have to consider is also where's the second solution. So with that we're going to do 2 minus x is equal to minus 2x minus 2. Okay, so as we bring that across we end up with x on this side and minus 4 on this side. So the point up here, that one must be minus 4. Okay, as to its value, not quite sure, but I guess it's about 6. All right, so x equals 0, x equals minus 4. Done.